Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. I know it's been a while, but I promise you I am back, and I am back to stay. So guys, as you can see here, I have some packages from, when you see this little arrow, you know where this is from. This is from Amazon, and if you don't know where this is from, get help. So I've got two big packages here, and we know the trend now. The trend is braided wigs, right? Braided wigs. I'm literally trying to give my hair a break, so I've literally been going in with wigs. This wig on my head is also from Amazon. So I'm just going to do an unboxing tutorial for you guys, for those of you who are thinking about buying a wig from Amazon. I've actually purchased, okay, I think this is a wig here. As you can see, it hasn't been opened. It is actually well sealed. And this is called the Serene wig. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Oh, I hope I didn't cut into my actual wig. Oh my god. And this is a red braided long wig. Guys, look at that. Look at that. And I believe this is 26 inches, and it comes with the bleached lace already, and it pretty much already matches my skin. I recently bought my mum a black one, but my mum's one is shorter. But I'm pretty happy with this wig. The next video is going to be of me wearing the wig, so make sure that you stay in tune with my channel. And you click that subscribe button, because I'm pretty sure all of you are going to want to know what this looks like. I'm quite pleased, to be honest. And I'm going to think, what is the best one to wear out today? What is the best one? But guys, I'm really pleased. The hair is plaited so fine. I love how natural the lace looks. And absolutely can't wait to put this on. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be by my bum, because this is quite long. Okay, and I'm just going to adjust and, you know, fix the lace to my liking. If I need it darker or if I need it lighter, I will dye that. Now let's go in to my second box. Right guys, I also decided to buy a shellac machine. This shellac machine was actually around £60. H&M nail art set, and I'm absolutely obsessed with nails. And this is the whole kit, like everything comes in this kit. But I am going to unbox this for you. But let me just show you my wig really quickly. So for those of you that are interested in your own manicure set, this is a gel machine. So it comes with an actual LED light where I can put my hands underneath and my nails will last longer. It comes with the nails. It comes with all the equipment that is needed. Now, I ordered another wig. It's very similar to this, because I've been really obsessed with bobs. So this is another bob. Oh guys, and this is, I believe, 10 inches. So guys, I will be demonstrating how these look on me. So just remember to keep up to date with my videos, so I can show you how they are going to look. And guys, just remember, this is Amazon. And the reason why I've been ordering from Amazon is because I do not have time to be ordering from AliExpress and waiting 3.5 years for my packages to come. When you order from Amazon, you literally pay extra for next day deliveries, about £6, and here they are. I ordered these on Sunday, it's now Tuesday, and here they are. Absolutely happy. I'm absolutely over the moon. So guys, what wig do you think is going to look better? What do you think looks better? Like, what do you actually think looks better? So make sure you subscribe so you can see what these are going to look like on me, okay? Now, let me just show you the shellac machine and what is in there. I'm really spoiling, oh guys, I nearly damaged myself live on camera. I'm really spoiling you lot. Why did I make these boxes so hard to open? Right. So as you can see, this is all shellac nail polish. Good price. And then, as you can see, at the very bottom, my shellac machine. Guys, I would recommend you to go and get one of these things and save your money and stop giving all these nail people your money. Do your nails at home. Literally, look at my nails. I've literally just been doing my own nails and they've been growing healthy. Now, if I'm just to open this. It's literally just like what they have in the nail shops. And that's my own shellac machine for my personal and family use. Now guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Do not leave from here without subscribing. So guys, it also comes with, you know, some little pads when you're removing your nails or whatever you want to do with your pads. It then comes with the tool. This is a manicure like scissors, and I think this is what you just cut your cuticles with. So these are cuticles nipple. So guys, not nipple, nippers. It gets worse, doesn't it? And then what do we have here? Remove easy. I don't know what this is. I think these are I'm not sure what these are, guys. I am not too sure what these are. Not too sure. But I'm quite happy with what I'm seeing so far. I am quite happy with what I'm seeing so far. And then we've got our sanders. And these all feel like really good quality. Ooh. And then we have these. And then we have the tip guides. This is if you want to do a white tip. A little makeup brush for me, for my little bronzer. Another nail tool. I'm absolutely happy with this company. And this is just to push back your cuticles. And then a buffer. So guys, this is everything that comes with the Amazon, show them, the Amazon nail kit. And if you want to get yours, order yours today. If you need the link, comment below and I'll send you the link.